Astronomers have discovered a massive galaxy that's older than the universe itself, defying our understanding of time and space. Deep in the vast expanse of the cosmos, a new world has been found that's challenging everything we thought we knew about the universe. This galaxy, named GNZ11, was discovered by a team of scientists using the Hubble Space Telescope and other powerful observatories. Located over 13 billion light-years away, GNZ11 is seen as it existed just 400 million years after the Big Bang. But what's most astonishing about this galaxy is its age. It's older than the universe itself. According to our current understanding of the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. So, how can a galaxy be older than the universe? The answer lies in the way we measure time and distance in the universe. You see, as light travels through space, it gets stretched and distorted, making it harder to determine the actual age of distant objects. By using advanced techniques to correct for this distortion, scientists were able to calculate the age of GNZ11 with remarkable accuracy. But that's not the strangest part. GNZ11 is also producing new stars at a rate that's impossible to explain. This phenomenon occurs when a galaxy is hit by a massive cosmic shockwave, triggering a burst of star formation. That's still the active today. Shockwave is thought to have originated from a nearby galaxy that collided with GNZ11 in the distant past.
As the two galaxies merged, they created a cosmic whirlpool that's still active today.
Imagine a giant cosmic tornado with GNZ11 at its center, pulling in surrounding gas and dust to fuel its star-forming frenzy. But wait, until you hear what comes next. The implications of GNZ11's existence are mind-boggling. If this galaxy can exist outside the bounds of time, what does that mean for our understanding of the universe? Could there be other galaxies out there that are even older and more mysterious? The discovery of GNZ11 has opened up new avenues of research and has left scientists scrambling to understand its secrets. As we continue to explore the universe, we're forced to confront the limits of our current understanding. The universe is full of mysteries, and GNZ11 is just the beginning. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn and discover about the cosmos. And that's what makes astronomy so fascinating, the possibility of uncovering new secrets and expanding our knowledge. But that's not the only thing that's surprising about GNZ11. Its age is not the only thing that's defying our understanding of the universe. Its structure is also unlike anything we've seen before. Imagine a giant spiral galaxy with a central bulge that's unlike any other known galaxy. This bulge is thought to be the result of a massive merger between two smaller galaxies in the distant past. As the galaxies collided, they created a cosmic shockwave that's still reverberating today. The shockwave is thought to have triggered a burst of star formation that's still ongoing. But that's not all. GNZ11 is also home to a supermassive black hole. This black hole is thought to be one of the most massive in the universe, with a mass of over 100 billion solar masses. But how can a black hole be so massive? The answer lies in the way black holes grow and evolve over time. As matter falls into a black hole, it gets compressed into an incredibly small space, releasing an enormous amount of energy. Over time, this energy can build up and create a massive black hole. The discovery of GNZ11, supermassive black hole, has left scientists stunned and intrigued. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn about the universe and its many mysteries. And that's what makes astronomy so exciting, the possibility of uncovering new secrets and expanding our knowledge. So, what does the discovery of GNZ11 mean for us? It means that there's still so much to learn about the universe and its many mysteries. It means that we're forced to confront the limits of our current understanding and seek out new answers. It means that astronomy is an ongoing journey of discovery, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. And that's what makes it all so fascinating, the possibility of uncovering new secrets and expanding our knowledge. As we continue to explore the universe, we're constantly reminded of its vastness and complexity. But with each new discovery, we're also reminded of its beauty and wonder. The universe is a mysterious and awe-inspiring place, full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. And that's what makes astronomy so exciting, the possibility of discovering new wonders and expanding our knowledge. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.